हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का हमारे चारू चौधरी चैनल पर। दोस्तों, आज इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगी अगर आपको एसे मिला है माई सेल्फ पर तो आप क्या लिख सकते हैं। तो ये जो एसे है ये मैंने लिखा है स्टूडेंट्स और चिल्ड्रन के लिए। मतलब अगर आपको इंटरव्यू देना चाह रहे हैं तो ये एसे आपके लिए काम में नहीं आने वाला है। ये जनरली अगर आप स्टूडेंट हैं या फिर आप लर्निंग लाइफ में है, मतलब आप कोई क्लासेस आपने ज्वाइन कर रखी हैं, आपको मिलता है ऐसा टॉपिक कि आपको लिखना है ऐसे माई सेल्फ पर, तो आप क्या लिख सकते हैं। आइए दोस्तों जानते हैं। उससे पहले अगर आपने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। माई फैमिली एंड माई चाइल्डहुड, तो यहाँ पे सबसे पहले टॉपिक डाला है मैंने कि फैमिली और मेरे बचपन के बारे में मैं आपको बात बताऊंगी। आई एम फ्रॉम अ मिडिल क्लास फैमिली ऑफ बिहार। आई एम नरेश शुक्ला। नोबडी कम्स इन दिस वर्ल्ड विदाउट द सपोर्ट ऑफ फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स। एक्चुअली वॉट एवर यू विल बी, इट इज जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ योर फैमिली। माई फादर इज अ respectable businessman in our community. My mother is a doctor. They both love their occupation. That's I have learned from my parents the value of time, honesty, work, hard work and commitment to the purpose. We are 3 brothers and sisters. Being the eldest, I am the most liable from my brothers and sisters. I am wanted to guide and take care of my other siblings. We all are in the same school. Reading is my passion. I am a keen reader of novels and history books, as I have a strong interest in Indian history and classical architecture. I love to read books that refer to the rich history and civilization of ancient India. At my pre-childhood, I used to listen to stories from my grandmother, and this has a long lasting effect on me. Next topic है my education. I am studying at the best school in my city. I am presently in class 10th. I feel happy to be a part of this great school with good friends, helpful and loving teacher and sound school administration. I have extraordinary skills in some subjects, whereas I am very weak in the few. My strengths. In compare to studies, I am good at sports. So I am the captain of my class football team. I am the best football player at my school. Besides this, I am a fast runner also, and I love athletics. I am an expert swimming. The advice of my parents had a keen effect on my habits. I believe to speak the truth and try my best not to lie. My parents always advised me that if I commit a mistake, I should admit it. I try my best to do so. I know how to remain happy in every condition, because I believe that happiness is not out there, it's in you. I am a very adventurous person too, and like to take the risk I like to do a creative thing besides doing old stuff again and again. Learning new things is one thing which I always enjoy. I always update myself with the news. Along with this, I found of reading a few children magazines in which different motivational stories are there. They taught me a high moral lesson. I am a very confident person and know how to talk. I always try to speak to every person according to his requirements so I understand people. My weaknesses. As every man have weaknesses, so have also. I am a little bit lazy at some places which I do not like. While playing time, I pass my lot of time there, which is not a good habit, but I try my best to overcome my weaknesses. My ambitions in life. Everybody has an ambition in life. Aim or ambition is the inner aspiration of men. No man can do anything in the world without aim. So, all of us should be very determined about our aim in life. Without good career planning right from the start, one can't be on the right track. One has to set the goals in accordance with his or her broad career goals. I have studied biology and I will sit for the competitive entrance exam for admission to reputed medical college. I shall try to be a good and honest student. Then I shall be a qualified doctor. I will do all that to be a good doctor and will be sincere to it. Conclusion. These are all the things which express me. Though nobody can be described in a few sets of sentences, one needs to have yet command of oneself before going to write something about his life. Life is meant to be lived avidly and with visualization to do good for your fellow beings. Keeping this aim in mind, I have always described to serve my people in whatever capacity I can. Thank you very much. तो दोस्तों उम्मीद करती हूँ ये ऐसे आपके लिए यूज़फुल रहा होगा। आपको अगर पैराग्राफ मिला है, 10 लाइन्स मिली हैं, ऐसे मिला है तो आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं इन सबको। मे बी आपको ये पसंद आया होगा। प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख के बताइएगा कि आपको ये ऐसे कैसा लगा। वीडियो को वॉच करने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।